this short video tutorial, we will be showing you how to manually set the time and date of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. You might need to do this if the watch is being used as a standalone device and it is displaying an incorrect time or date. You won't need to do this regularly though, as your Galaxy Watch 5 syncs its time and date setting from a connected phone. Before proceeding, we would appreciate it if you like and share this video. To set the time and date of your Watch 5, just open the Settings app, then tap on General. Tap the Date and Time option. Tap Set Date, then set the correct date. When finished, tap on Done. Tap on Set Time, then set the correct time. Tap Done when finished. If necessary, tap on Select Time Zone, then select the correct time zone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell.